Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing oats breakfast smoothie recipe for weight loss. This oats smoothie is easy to make in those busy mornings. It does not contain any added sugar. It helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Hence, it's ideal for weight loss and weight management. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make oats breakfast smoothie, into a bowl, I'm adding in 3 tablespoons old-fashioned rolled oats. Into this, I'm adding in 1 soft medjool dates. I'm adding in half cup of water. And I'm going to allow the oats to soak for about 10 minutes. The reason why you need to soak the oats is that it helps to release the phytic acid content. Phytates are nutrient inhibitors, so it's always ideal to either soak the oats or roast the oats before using them. Using raw oats may cause digestive issues to some people, so it's always ideal to either soak the oats or roast the oats before using to release the phytic acid content in oats. After 10 minutes, the oats is soaked and ready to make smoothie. I have 1 tablespoon roasted peanuts and I'm roughly chopping the peanuts. This is to garnish the smoothie. I'm going to keep this aside. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in the soaked old-fashioned rolled oats and dates. For some natural healthy fats, I'm adding in 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts. Instead of peanuts, you can use 1 tablespoon 100% natural peanut butter, or you can also use cashew nuts, overnight soaked and peeled almonds, or cashew milk, or even almond milk. Any good source of healthy fat, preferably plant-based, is ideal in this recipe. Next, I'm adding in 1 amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. Amla is one of the richest source of vitamin C. If you don't have fresh amla at hand, you can use 1 teaspoon amla powder. Amla also helps to fight off common cold, so try to include amla in your diet, especially when they are in season. For some healthy omega-3s, fiber and protein, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon flax seeds. Next, I'm adding in 1 whole ripe banana. I prefer to use ripe banana, especially bananas which has some black marks on the skin will have slightly more sweetness, and that is also the reason why I used only 1 dates in this recipe. However, if you feel you need more sweetness, you can increase dates to suit your taste. Ripe bananas will have a subtle natural sweetness, so adjust dates as per your sweetness. Next, I'm adding in half teaspoon cinnamon powder. Cinnamon helps to boost your immunity and also gives a subtle flavor to the smoothie. Adding cinnamon powder is entirely optional. If you don't have cinnamon powder at hand, you can use 1 cinnamon stick instead. And lastly, I'm adding in another half cup of water. Altogether, I used 1 cup of water in this recipe. And now I'm going to blend all this until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Pour the blended smoothie into a serving glass. Top it with the chopped peanuts. The peanuts will not only give you the much needed healthy fats, but also will give a subtle crunch to the smoothie. Healthy fats helps to assimilate fat soluble vitamins faster into your body, so try not to skip using a good source of healthy fats in your meals. So guys, do try this healthy and nutrient dense oats breakfast smoothie and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.